Hello, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great.
Are you new in this town?
Yes, I am new in this town.
Where is the bus station?
The bus station is in the downtown.
Where is the bank?
The bank is near bus station.
Is it open now?
Yes, it is open now.
Can you go with me?
Yes, I can go with you.
Is the road jammed?
Yes, the road is jammed.
Can we wait for 5 minutes?
Yes, we can wait for 5 minutes.
Let us wait until it become free.
Okay, thanks.
Let us pass the road is free.
Okay, thanks.
What are your hobbies?
I love learning new things, meeting new people, and exploring different cultures. What about you?
I love reading, learning new languages and making research and traveling.
That sounds interesting. Which language are you learning?
I am learning Arabic and Chinese.
Wow, that is wonderful. Have you ever traveled?
Yes, I have traveled.
Which country did you travel?
I traveled to Iceland.
Where is Iceland located?
Iceland is located in Northern Europe, in the North Atlantic Ocean.